Hi, my name is Seth Smurthwaite, and this is my informative speech. Off to the side, I have my audience for today, my little brother, Michael. What's the longest you remember having the hiccups? The Cleveland Clinic reported in their 2021 website article that hiccups can last for minutes to hours to days, and in the most severe of cases, for weeks or months. In fact, the longest recorded bout of hiccups lasted 68 years. No matter who you are, almost everybody can attest to exactly how annoying the hiccups are. Almost everybody's had them. But don't worry, because I have done extensive research into the topic and can tell you, I'm here to discuss today both the causes and the remedies for the hiccups. So first, what are the hiccups and what causes them? The Mayo Clinic, a nonprofit organization dedicated to clinical practice, research, and education, teaches that the hiccups are caused by involuntary contractions in the diaphragm, or this muscle here. These contractions cause rapid suctions of air into your lungs. And this air, as it flows past your vocal cords, causes them to slam shut. This produces the characteristic hic sound that you know the hiccups for. Hiccups, also known as singultus, are most often very short-term ailments, but sometimes they persist for longer. In fact, the United States Department of Health reported that approximately 3 to 30,000 of people in the United States have chronic hiccups, or hiccups that last longer than a month. Now, the exact reason that the diaphragm begins spasming is unknown to medical professionals, but many of the causes are well documented. Some of these causes include eating too fast, intense emotion, and eating spicy foods. These cause short-term hiccups, or the hiccups that you're very, very well accustomed to. Other hiccups, chronic hiccups, are caused by more serious conditions, such as nerve damage, a stroke, or meningitis, among other things. Regardless of the type of hiccups that you have, there are cures. Now, everybody has their own special way to cure the hiccups, but the real way to cure the hiccups is to either interrupt your breathing or to stimulate the vagus nerve. Now, doing both these things causes a reboot in the diaphragm, in the muscle here. This is why your hiccups stop. Some ways that you can get rid of the hiccups include tasting something spicy, sweet, or sour, holding your breath, or taking a drink of water. Now, all these things interrupt your breathing pattern or stimulate the vagus nerve. As you do this, your hiccups will stop because your brain will reboot and be able to stop the diaphragm from its involuntary contractions. In conclusion, almost everybody has had the hiccups, and almost everybody can tell you exactly how annoying they are. But in order to stop them, you can either drink water, hold your breath, or taste something extremely sweet, sour, or salty. Next time you have the hiccups, you know exactly how to cure them.